In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in HoneyBook, Expense Tracking 2026. We'll go from signing in to finding the right page to saving a clean, accurate expense. Follow along in your browser and pause whenever you need to catch up. Start by going to honeybook.com. Confirm you're on the official site, then log into your account. If you're asked for a code or a security check, complete it to continue. Once signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub for your projects, finances, and reports. On the dashboard, look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation where you can jump between parts of HoneyBook. We're focused on finances today. If your screen is narrow, the labels may collapse into icons. So hover or expand the bar to see the names. Click Finance, then choose Expenses. This opens your Expenses workspace where your entries appear in a list with dates, amounts, and categories. You can sort and filter later. For now, let's add a new expense. In the top right, select Add Expense. A form appears to capture the details. Enter the merchant, which is the vendor or service you paid. Set the date to when the purchase occurred or the receipt date, based on your policy. Type the amount exactly as shown, including cents, and make sure the currency matches your account settings. Choose a tax category that best fits the expense so reports and tax summaries stay accurate. If the cost belongs to a specific job, connect it using the lead client field to keep everything tied to that work. Use the notes field for quick context. What was purchased, why, and the payment method, or where the receipt is stored. Before saving, take 10 seconds to review spelling, the date, and the amount. Clean data saves time later. When you search or reconcile. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll return to the expenses list with your new entry visible. After saving, scan the list to confirm the merchant, date, and amount appear as expected. If you spot a mistake, you can open the expense and edit it right away. Keeping corrections close to the entry date prevents mismatches later in reports or during reconciliation with your bank. That's the full process. Open Finance, go to Expenses, add the details, and save. Repeat this each time you incur a cost to keep your numbers current and tax prep simple. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay sections while you add your next expense.